Hey guys, we are here in Radium Hot Spring and getting ready for the hike. So the hike we are going today is what is the hike called, baby?
I think it's called Juniper Trail.
Juniper Trail. So this is right from here, and Radium Hot Spring is very close there. We are almost ready for our hike here today. We park here by the Radium Hot Spring, and this is the Radium Hot Spring parking spot. And from there, right from there, I think the trail starts right there. Okay, so looks like this is the trail, but we're not 100% sure it's the right one or not. So we're gonna go a little bit up and then we'll see if this is the right trail. Looks like this is a biking trail, but I'm not quite sure. Okay, so I think we found it. Right, so right from the parking, a little bit here, then no trail there actually, like people are making their...
I think it is probably a trail.
Yeah? Okay. So we'll be going this short hike today. About 3.3 kilometer.
But you have to come back to...
Oh yeah, 6, right, total?
But while coming back,
Okay.
you can choose different ways.
Okay. Let's do it. What did you say?
I'm already tired.
You're only like 100 meters here and already tired. You're #1 hiker of the viral traveler group. Is this the moderate hike?
Yeah.
That's for all trail?
Look at the wildflowers.
Yeah.
Is this maple tree?
Is this maple tree, guys? I don't know. I can see like a...
See? That looks like someone made a hole.
Exactly.
I don't know.
Looks like maple is coming down there.
Don't try right
Shall
now.
I
Maybe
try?
try when you come back. Yeah, so that you can go to... Is it sweet?
No. Okay.
You can sing Nepali song.
Ooh, what is it? Rattle.
Whoa.
Tick, tick, tick. So we're gonna
Where is the trail?
go there,
Yeah.
right there, and all the way to top.
Where is the trail? Yes.
That's the Radium Hot Spring.
Which one? Whoa. Yeah. There's so much smoke. I'm scared to look that way.
Okay, say again to remind our viewers here, which hiking is this?
Juniper Trail.
Juniper Trail.
Then we can go to Sinclair Canyon from here.
Where? Sinclair Canyon?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. So this trail is right by the Radium Hot Spring, and you have plenty of
the nose of the radium.
parking there.
Oh, there is berries.
Where?
Come here.
Oh, red berries.
Yeah.
Yeah, lots of berries there.
Oh, you don't
Yeah.
go too close to that.
Cool. Hey baby, I'm gonna go a little bit down there, and someone said you can see Radium Hot Spring from here.
Can you go a little bit one there?
Yeah, only a little bit, okay? She's saying come back. I'm gonna go all the way there. Yeah, you can see Hot Spring right there. Yeah, coming. Look at she's over there. She's scared always. Now looks like we are all the way down, right? So from there,
Yeah.
it was up to there.
Yeah.
Just came here. Looks like it's now downhill. Yeah, steep downhill. Are you having fun?
Yes.
How much?
100%.
Very good.
Serve
Love.
it.
Let's go.
Très bien.
Très bien. Un petit peu. Un petit peu très bien. Beaucoup très bien. We oh, we are going down there. Shall I go sliding from here?
Of course. Why not?
Looks like we are very close to Sinclair Canyon here. So I'm gonna show you guys all the way down there. Ooh, awesome. Okay, 360 for you guys. Okay, now we are heading down from here, Sinclair Canyon. It's a beautiful view, right guys, here? Ramailah malai yo trail. Okay, this is our rest time. I have a Coke. And what do you have? Yeah, Waiwai. Waiwai, Nepalese noodles.
Sponsored by Chaudhary Group. No?
It's not a sponsored by Chaudhary Group.
We paid money.
We paid, right?
Canadian dollar.
And it's not even sponsored by Coke. Coke is not healthy. It's too much sugar there.
But it's good.
What are you doing? Second, baby, second. Oh, but good. What is that? Do you want a Coke too?
Yeah.
Can I have a little bit? No.
I cannot see.
Okay, that's good enough. It's the Waiwai. When you hike, it's good. It is now. Can I have more?
No.
Please?
My turn now.
One more time. Very good. Are we going? She's leaving me alone. Oh, she's with Waiwai. That's why she's leaving me alone here. There's so cannon there. Okay. We are very close to Sinclair Canyon. Wow. Very relaxing. Good. Very relaxing here. Whoa. Really cool. This is really cool. Huh? Yeah.
Where? See?
Oh, this is the Sinclair
No,
Canyon.
no, come here.
Oh, look at there. Wow, that's cool. Thank you. Let's go. Oh, this is Sinclair Falls.
But it's called canon because it's coming from the two, like the two valley kind of.
Wow, let's go there. There is a Sinclair Falls and then there is no way to go up, but when you just back wherever you came, you will see small sign here that shows Radium Hot Spring Lodge right there. So 2.8 kilometer straight up here, then we can go back, then we'll be making a full loop of 6+ kilometers. So okay, Bebo, we're almost here by the road. So I really love this hike, you know, like this is the full combination of hike, mountain scenes, canyon, waterfalls, and now we are heading to the
creek kind of.
the creek, yeah. And now we are heading to the side of the highway and we're gonna see the awesome view there. We are almost here to the highway. The last steps here. Okay, there you go. You can go both way actually. Park here and do the hike, or park there by the Radium Hot Spring and around hike here. That's the 3.6 kilometer one way, and now we will be returning this way. That will be another 3.5 kilometers. So wow. Yeah, this is the one I'm seeing, like everyone is taking a picture when they are on radio. Pretty awesome. Okay guys, we did a pretty long loop to see the falls, but you don't have to go that far to see the Sinclair Falls right there. So you can just drive. You'll be driving this way many times when you're in Radium Hot Spring. So you can just park right there and just walk for about 20 meters. You'll be able to see the Sinclair Falls. And then along the way we parked there by the hot spring, and then we did the hiking there. Okay guys, thank you very much for staying with us so far, and please do not forget to subscribe, give thumbs up, comment, and hit that notification bell and share. Thank you guys, have a good day, bye bye, peace. You guys can see big horns here. They look like a mountain goat. How they're looking. Alright. Whoa. So many of them. Wow.